you. So today I'm going to show you guys how to get a really quick and easy manicure at home. Believe me, it is super simple, and so many times I prefer to do this at night just before I go to sleep if I don't have the time to go to the salon or the spa. Well, so I start off with sort of smoothing out my nails, making them even with the help of a buffer. You can also use a nail filer for this. That should be absolutely fine. But if you have a buffer, if you can get one, that would be perfect. So once you've sort of evened your nails out and given it a really nice and smooth look, I'm going to ask you to get hold of half a lime. All you need to do is sort of rub this lime to make sure that the juice really nicely sets in with your cuticles. Well, keep in mind a couple of major advantages of using lime. A is that it takes off your tan. B, it's really good for nail growth. And C, something that is really important, is that it sort of helps keep your skin healthy. Unfortunately, not a lot of people know this, but lime mixed with honey is really good for keeping your skin soft and supple. Here in India, of course, most of you might know that a lot of kids are given baths and massages when they're like at the infant stage to keep their skin feeling and looking soft. So this is like a major skin secret I'm going to share with you guys. And not related to this manicure, but what I've also recently got to know actually is that if you have dandruff, you should try to take a bath with lime, because it really helps taking it off if you sort of rub it and on your scalp for like 5 minutes before taking your bath. Anyway, getting back to the manicure. So I'm just sort of applying this all over the back of my palm and my fingers, because it sort of smoothens it out, like I already said. My lime over here is sort of cold, so I'm sort of enjoying the little massage I'm giving myself here. Feel free to just keep it and do it for a couple of minutes before you soak your hands into warm water. Now the water I have over here is something I've heated for about a minute and a half in the microwave before putting my hands into it. You can keep your hands in the water for anything between 5 to 10 minutes depending on your preference. There's no rigid rule per se, that's completely up to you. Well, so now that I'm done with my little 5 to 7 minutes approximately of soaking my fingers into the water, I'm gonna obviously clean my hands out, wipe them out, make sure that my napkin or the towel that you're using is really nice and soft and clean. Well, as the last step of this manicure at home, one of the main things that you shouldn't forget to do is give it a really nice finishing touch. What I like to do for my little finishing touch and a very salon-like feeling is to get hold of a little bit of Vaseline. Vaseline is a moisturizer that I swear by. I've been using it for years and it works really well. I like to give my hands a little bit of a massage to sort of finish the entire manicure up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave me your feedback in the comment section below. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.